Is your Mercedes-AMG GT running rough or having a misfire? Well, it might be a bad coil pack. So let me tell you what happened with mine. I was driving my GTS and all of a sudden it started to run rough. It was like hesitating. And then the check engine light came on and it started blinking. So I freaked out, I limped it back home and I started to do some research. I connected my scanner to it and it said I had a misfire in cylinder 7. And then after I drove it the second time, it said it had a misfire in cylinder 8. Automatically, I thought it was a coil pack, so I looked at the firing order on the AMG on the M178T engine. It's a flat plane crank V8, so it's kind of got a unique firing order. And I found out that cylinders 7 and 8 share a coil pack. Actually, this one right here. So I wanted to make sure because my scanner does not provide a lot of information. From what I understand, there's a program called the STAR program or Mercedes STAR, and that's what technicians use to repair and find information out. And it's actually pretty well known in the Mercedes community that these coil packs go out specifically on the AMG. I'm kind of nerdy. I wanted to test out different things. So I put some fuel cleaner in the car. I put some new gas. I reset the battery. I actually disconnected the plug on this coil pack, reconnected it, went for a drive. And the crazy thing is, this was the symptoms that I was having. It would drive well for the first trip. The first trip could be 15 minutes. I would drive anywhere and everything worked. The engine light was still on, but it wasn't blinking. But when I stopped, and I let the car sit, and I'm assuming when it heat soaked, something went bad because I'd go start the car, it would like start, but it would run really rough. And at one point in time, when I limped it home, which I shouldn't have done, it even caused a different misfire. I think it was misfire in cylinder 5 or whatever. So there's a couple of things you could do. You could swap coil packs if you think it's a coil pack. I went to a shop, local shop that I know here who could access the STAR program, and they went ahead and also provided a diagnosis of the issue, and they felt that it was a coil pack as well. Long story short, we ordered a coil pack and it was about $300. I could have replaced it myself, but I wanted to give them the work because they helped me out. They replaced it. It was about an hour of work because they also need to replace the oil breather. The right thing to do, I know, is probably replace all 4, but I just, I'm not gonna replace anything that's working. With the new coil pack, the car runs absolutely amazing. So what I was gonna do was I was gonna buy another coil pack and try to see if I could find a way how to troubleshoot coil packs as far as checking the resistance and their internal coil resistance. But after doing some research on these Delphi coil packs, it's really hard to tell because they have a lot of stuff integrated into them. I hope this video is gonna help somebody out in the future. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. We appreciate you watching. Thank you, take care. We'll talk to you soon.